coming tomorrow?
Tomorrow? This or tomorrow?
Don't you like it? Are you not happy that I'm coming tomorrow?
I'm happy.
Yeah, sure.
I'm happy. So...
This girl again. Yeah? What kind of trouble is this?
Who is that?
This girl keep calling me. Eh?
Who is that?
The same guy I told you about.
Why is he not picking my call?
In fact, take this phone. Answer, tell her not to disturb your husband again.
Hello, Gabriel. Gabriel, what is going on now? You'll not be picking my calls. I want to see you. Please, if I've done anything wrong to you, forgive me. It's like my call diverted to another number. Let me try again. Hello?
This is Gabriel's wife talking. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God, stop calling this line.
What is going on? The Gabriel I know is not married. Who is that lady? What is going on?
Arise, pick your call now. Pick your call. What to this guy? What? What have I done to him? I've been calling him now for days. He has refused to pick my calls.
Chimo. Who is she?
Another disappointment, oh. I just hope it's not another disappointment. Men can never be trusted.
This kind of money here. If I ask her for money, she will say she doesn't have. Why are police or Bujua?
Who brought my bag out? Who brought out my bag? Hey. Who did this? Yeah?
5,000. I would have made it 10,000, so that it can carry me till next week. Yeah? Well, it's fine. With this in my pocket, I'm sure I can move mountain. Hey! Hey! Get it.
Obiora, what are you doing here?
Hey. I saw a very big bushmeat. Yes.
Where? Where is it? Where is it now? Is it a grass cutter?
Oh, yes. Did you see it too? A very big one. Did you see it?
I didn't see it. You just told me.
You just passed through that way. Don't worry.
Obiora, why did you not catch it? You know I love bushmeat a lot.
Don't worry yourself, okay? I'll bring it home. I promise you that. Trust me now. I'm tired.
Come now, let's be going on. Leave it.
I will come behind you. Hey, just be going. I'll tell you about that.
Come back soon, oh.
Hey, Udo, I dey come.
What kind of insult is this? Why are you accusing me of stealing your money?
I am not accusing you.
Then why did you ask me that kind of question?
Because you're the only one at home.
Who said I'm the only one at home? What about Obiora that just left the house?
Did you say Obiora?
Who are you asking?
Hey! Let it not be that Obiora has been stealing my money.
Mama, good afternoon. Mama, why is your face like this? Can you hear me?
Keneka, did you see Obiora when you were coming back home?
Mama, I saw him outside. Mama, if you see the big bush meat, Obiora said he nearly caught. But he said he ran away. I left him there. He's searching for it.
Obiora is not searching for any bush meat. He took my money and sneaked out. Next thing, he will come back home drunk.
Mama, you are right. I suspected it, but he confused me with the bushmeat. Hey!
I know what to do. Najebia.
I'm surprised. What is wrong with my brother? What is wrong with my brother? See now, he's not even talking about going back to the city. Hey, Chineke. I know this man Ikemba must have a hand in this for him to forget about talking about sharing the land.
Fine girl. You have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Oh, really? A big girl like you, why don't you have a boyfriend?
I don't want. I'm afraid of people breaking my heart.
I will not break your heart. That means you will not marry. Is that what it means?
Sezu, I'll marry you.
Why not you becoming my girlfriend and my wife to be?
I don't want. I'm afraid.
Don't worry. I have money. I'll take care of you.
Let me see the money first.
See money. I have money. I'll take you to where you take to the soup. From the soup, we'll go somewhere and enjoy, say water for your body. God, your hair. Doing you some poly.
Yeah.
Mama?
My good afternoon.
Well, where are you going to? Hey, Mama? You're being a
Obiora, where is the money?
Mama! There's no money. What are you talking about?
I mean the money you took from my handbag.
I did not take any. Who told you I took money from your handbag?
You did not take my money.
I did not take your money. Hey! Mama! Mama, give me that money.
Agunkwo. You see?
Mama, I don't like this.
Now I know where you got the money you used to drink yourself to stupor.
Mama,
Obiora!
I don't like this.
So you just want to be useless in life? Okay?
I don't like this, Mama. You're embarrassing me. Why are you doing this? You are insulting me. Stop it now. I'm grown up. Why are you embarrassing me?
If I did not come out here now, you would have given my money to this little rat. Okay?
What's gotta go?
Obiora!
What's gotta go? What's gotta go? That money is not your own. Mama, check that money well. It's not your own. Stop embarrassing me. Stop insulting me. What is all this? Hey. How did this woman get to know I took her money? Chay. Why am I plan Choreko? Pianwa Haruba. Oh.
Nolly, immediately my mother finished narrating the story to us. I and my sister Azoka, we rushed to the man's house. We warned him to stay away from us, to leave us alone, for crying out loud.
And you think the man will leave you people?
I don't understand.
Ginika, I've told you about prayers severally, but you seem not to be interested.
Who said I am not interested? It's just that.
That what? I told you a story about my husband's family before I got married to him. They were in bondage. We did a lot of prayers, fasting, but guess what? Now they'll be liberated.
Nah, I am not doubting the power of prayers.
Then what is the problem? Look at your brother. He's now a village tout. Anywhere there is a party, you will see him drinking to stupor. It is not an ordinary thing, no.
Uncle, you're right.
Yes. It is time for the whole family to rise up in prayer. Because it's only prayer that can solve this thing. Nothing else.
Okay, I've heard you. I'll think about it.
Yeah, you need to think about it, okay? Because you guys need prayer. Okay? Alright. Take care.
Thank you. You too. Mama, what sort of disturbance is this? Why won't you just leave me alone? What is it? What is it? What do you want to say? Just say it. What have I done to you? If there's something you have to tell me, just say it and leave me be. Please. If there's any way we've wronged you, please tell me. Let me make amends, Biko. Amends? What do you want to amend?
Mama, there is nothing for me to tell you. But when the time comes, why look at TV in here? You will see it. It will be shown to you.
Biko, I'm your mother, Biko. Just tell me. What is it? Biko.
You want to know? Mama, Ewa wicked. It's wicked.
Are you with us or against us? Ebube, acting so weird and so strange.
I will keep disturbing her until she opens up. There's more to this.
Are you with us or against us? Why cause ya no. Ebube bulu jebe nezino. Oje kolandino. Ndile wele chubanyo. Ajoju wejo.
Ebere.
What is it?
Ebere.
What is it?
What is this rumor I'm hearing in this village that you are going out, you are dating Obiora?
What kind of question is that?
Are you saying you are not dating Obiora in this village?
See, let it be the last time you ever ask me such rubbish questions again.
Ebere, I'm talking to you. Hey! Oh my God!
Are you alright?
I can't see. Ebere, you slapped me. Hey! You want to slap me again, Ebere?
Why did you dodge?
Problem.
Why did you dodge? Next time, don't even try it in your life again.
Come with it. Wait, Ebere, you had the guts to slap me in this village. Come with it. Look at you. Hey, Ebere slapped me. I am finished. Hey, don't worry. Hey, any man you know, you slapped me. I told you had the guts to slap me.
Mama,
Azuka, Ebube, Obiora. I call this meeting for us to talk on how to defeat the enemy of this family. And the only solution is prayer. Nkoli, my friend, took me to a pastor. And the pastor said we should embark on 7 days fasting, 6 to 3, with midnight.
Well, let me say something, please. You see, midnight prayers, I'm not against it. I will do it. But that's 6 to 3 dry fasting. Because catch you out. I won't. I'm a wasser because
Obiora, it's for your own good.
Mama, forget my own good. Forget my own good. Let me tell you, Mama, there's no prayer house that I've not been to in Lagos. I've been to several prayer houses. Yet, nothing. Here nebe can nebe. Because count on them off. I don't want 6 to 3. I won't do it. All they do is, okay, 6 to this one, 6 to this one. After, they will find a way to extort money from me.
Okay, but check on the day. Nobody is asking you to bring money. This prayer now, all of us are going to do it and we must do it.
Okay, Auntie.
Obiora, there's nothing wrong with prayers. If you cannot do 6 to 3, at least do 6 to 12.
6 to 12, 6 to 9 or 6 to 10.
My friend Mechiano. You think we are joking here? Think another 6 to 9.
Please, can I say something? Okay, forget. You already eyeing me. Look at it. Somebody that wants to embark on prayer. Tell me, how will he ever walk? Then go walk on.
Mama, this prayer, we're starting this prayer and we'll all do this prayer.
Yes, Auntie.
Let's start tomorrow.
Okay, I'm in.
Yes.
I'm in.
Azuka, you're very correct. Tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., all of us will gather here and do the prayer. Then at 12, anywhere you are, you do the prayer. Don't forget, you do the prayer wherever you are. At night, 12, all of us will gather again and do the prayer. Obiora, you know I know you.
I heard you. We can even start now. Yeah? Jehovah. You work away blown sigi. Azoka one away sigi. Mama,
we're not joking here. Look, this is a serious issue. This family needs prayers. Stop.
This family needs money. This family needs money, and this family needs you people to get married. Oboku akarika. Oboku de rebel ezira child birth. Akarika. Mama, eneku. Oboku akarika. Money. These people are money. They should go and marry and bring people that will bring money. We don't need prayers. What are that whom okay? Oboku akarika de rebel ezira birth.
She thinks she's wise. Okay? I will tell her that she's nothing but a big fool. Ototo fool, come. Adi beribe.
Hello, Ebube.
Mama Ogene. Mama, what is it? Okay, I think why na no problem. What you normally for here? I will show her. I'm watching her. I don't like the way you behave. Then leave me alone. If you don't like the way I behave, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're supporting them. I don't have a problem with that. But leave me alone.
Are you shouting at me?
Why won't I shout at you? You're very stupid. Are you stupid? Mama, you just slapped me. No problem. Even God Almighty says that if someone slaps you here, turn the other one. Come up and Mama, slap me again. You think you to scare me? Is that what you think? No problem. But let me tell you something, Mama. You're only making matters worse by slapping me. Leave me!
Hey, Ebube, what happened to you? Yeah. Are you with us or against us? Hey.
Ginika, Ebube is angry. And I want you to carry everybody along.
Mama, what are you even saying?
Just call her and hear what she has to suggest.
Yeah. Oh, Chimo.
Wait, Mama, are you begging her? If she doesn't want to join the prayers, she should stay aside now.
No, no. See me, I don't know why Mama is afraid of her own daughter.
Wait, Mama, hold on. Is this why you called me?
Yes, because I want everybody to be happy.
Well, I had someone I was going to before you called me, so if you don't mind, excuse me.
Gineka, please, talk to Ebube.
Sorry, me I cannot do it. Do it yourself. I'm Makabiko. Yes, baby.
My angel.
Thank you so much, Gabriel.
Thank you too for coming along with me.
Gabriel!
Why can't you just let me be? Oh, as you can see, I've found another love.
Gabriel, what have I done to you? Please get out to excuse us. What is all this nonsense?
Will you shut your dirty mouth? How dare you talk back at me? Are you mad? Look at this thing!
Azuka! You are talking to my fiancé. Please, if you don't mind, excuse us.
You abandoned me because of this thing, this useless thing? Gabriel, really?
Please excuse us, I repeat.
Don't blame me.
Don't mind that, okay? Don't mind that. Goyibo.
Who are you?
Do you recognize this face?
You?
Yes.
What are you doing here?
I am watching you.
Watching me? Why?
My heart bleeds because of you. I will never rest until I have my vengeance on you. I am everywhere. You cannot run away from me.
Please, what have I done? Tell me so I can apologize, please. Ebube, please, help me to beg her.
You're a very wicked woman. You do not deserve mercy.
For the sake of you, sisters and brothers, please.
I'll do it myself. You do not deserve mercy. You don't deserve to live. I'll do it myself. Just so you know, I do not have sisters, neither do I have a brother.
cannot run away from me. Stop calling me your daughter. I am not. And I will never be.
Ebube, kill her.
Okay. Were you dreaming?
Yes. Why are you here?
I heard you scream.
You were chasing me with a cutlass in my dream.
Eh? Dada, Guinea.
Why did the old woman appear to me in my dream? She wants to use my daughter against me.
Ebube! Yeneka! Have you seen her?
Mama,
Where is she?
I can't find her. I've looked all over this house. I didn't see her anywhere.
We're not going to do the play again.
We just have to wait for her.
Mama, we're not going to wait for anybody. We're supposed to start praying by 6. It's almost 7:30. Ha!
Mama, Azuka is right. Let us go. Azuka, let's go.
No. Listen to me now. I'm your mother. Let's wait for your sister.
Mama, I'll leave here. I'll leave.
What did you say?
She says she will leave, Mama. She will leave. Since you people do not want to do the prayer again, let's leave now.
Then leave.
Mama, leave her now.
Leave who?
Azuka. Azuka. Mama, why now? Why now? Mama, why? Why would you ask her to go?
Are you crazy? Were you not here when she said she will leave? Or someone asked her to go? In your dream?
Okay. Since she can leave, I will leave too. My friends. Oh, I try babo. Mama, can they babo now? Let's try to get better now. Tomorrow will come. Tomorrow will continue. Since you guys, let's do the prayer without Ebube. You say no. I should be waiting for Ebube when boys are waiting for me outside. Can they babo? Because I got a little later.
You said your mother and sisters that are organizing prayers.
Yes, and I don't want to be part of that stupid prayers. That is why I came out.
Really? What are they organizing prayers for?
Uncle, you are their prayer point too. Yes, you are. They said you're a very wicked man, that you killed my papa, and you are the one responsible for all our predicaments.
Ego. She's just deceiving her children.
I am not part of them. I am not. That was why I left. I cannot be part of such stupid prayer. Uncle, I know you very well. You're a very good man. That is why I'm here. My mother is just too wicked.
Ebo, are you the one saying this?
I am the one saying it, Uncle. And I will say it everywhere. Obiora is very, very foolish. In fact, he's stupid. He doesn't listen. If he had listened to you and never sold that land, the 3 million naira wouldn't have gone. But he didn't listen. And the money is gone.
You are right. You are right, my daughter. And now they are organizing prayers against me.
Which is very, very unfair. Why are they organizing prayer against a very good man? My mother is just too wicked though. She needs to be taught a lesson.
I appreciate you. Thank you for your concern, my daughter.
So why your uncle? I just say let me come and tell you. They are just not happy with you. Can you imagine? They said they will even do fasting, do prayer, do all the things, abracadabra. And now soon I'm speaking in tongues for you. And you are bad. How can you be bad? Is it not you? Or what was it for? Oh, what kind of one?
I'm still worried about the dream I had yesterday.
Mama, you see that your dream was an attack. That's why I kept on saying all we need in this house is prayers. But some of us do not understand. That woman can be anybody.
I know the old woman. I can still remember her face very well.
Who is she?
Her name was Ijowa. That was 40 years ago before I got married.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Where are you going to?
Mama, we want to go and fetch water from Obi's house. Yes, ma'am.
Have you not heard that there is no road here? Get out from my house. Obigwe has his own entrance. You can pass through there.
Mama, we are sorry for today. Just allow us to go, please, Mama.
Sorry for what?
Please,
sorry for yourself.
We are sorry, Mama.
We are sorry. Please.
Sorry for yourself. Get out from my house.
Mama, please now.
We are almost there.
I will curse you if you don't leave my house. Look at them. You want to pass my house to Obigwe's house. Doesn't Obigwe has his own entrance? Huh? Stupid children. Let me see you here again.
My sister had a store yesterday.
Sister Ifeanyi?
Yes. Wow. The date of the traditional marriage will soon be announced.
I'm happy for her.
Yeah. Me too. I'm happy for her too.
Ah! This wicked woman is coming again. No wonder she was not married.
You guys don't miss this woman.
Let's follow the other
Let's go there.
Let's go. She's not around. You know that that's a
Sir, I said this woman is not around.
She's not around. She's not around. Let's go quickly before she comes back. So that we can take her right to you.
I'm afraid.
Let's go. Let's go.
These children are looking for my trouble. I told these children not to be passing here. These children are tempting me. They are tempting me, oh. They are looking for my trouble. I'm on my own, oh. They won't let me be. They are looking for my trouble.
The young people in the village hated her so much because of her wickedness. It was even believed that she's into witchcraft.
Mama, You said her name was Ijoa.
Yes. She died 2 years after. And her house was left desolate. I have never seen her in my dream before, until yesterday. That's why I'm worried. Oh, good evening. Where have you been since morning? Visited a friend. You visited a friend. And you left early, knowing fully well that we'll have prayers. But I'm not part of your prayers. And I will never be. Who says you're not part of the prayers? Exactly what you heard, Mama. I am not part of your prayers. And I will never be. You were there when your daughter Genika snubbed me when I asked her a question. I wanted to render my own suggestion, but she refused.
Ebube, don't you dare mention my name. I know you're trying so hard to frustrate our plans. But trust me, you're going to regret it.
There is nothing to regret. Absolutely nothing. Just so you know, you and I are not in the same category. So there's nothing for me to regret.
Ebube, get out of here.
Why should I leave? Why are you ordering me around? Are you my mother? What do you mean by that? Mama, you are here, seated. And your daughter is ordering me around. You won't say nothing, no? Later you come behind to beg me. I will not accept. Hey, Biakwa, I'm call you.
Mama. Hey, Mama. I have come to realize that you are afraid of your own daughter.
How can you say that? Why should I be afraid of my own daughter?
I don't know, Makwam.
You should know.
What do you say? Let's go, right? Go. Let's go. $4,000.
Thank you.
Manage it, right?
Thank you.
So tell me, when are you going to see me again?
I don't know yet, but I'll tell you tomorrow.
You tell me tomorrow? Nice.
So when will you get me the phone?
Oh, the phone? Don't worry yourself, I'll get it to you very soon.
Really?
Yes, I'll get it for you, okay?
I have to go now.
Huh? Just like that? You have to give me a break.
On the road?
On the road? We're alone here, eh? After all, I gave you a song. For back, eh? Give me a boko. Boko. It shocked me. Yeah, man, so boko. 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 All right. Okay, we'll do this.
Àwọn olùmọ̀ lóta kan sì jẹ́. Ó bí ọ̀rẹ́ gbó mu. Ebere. Hey. Ebere. Ó bí ọ̀rà. Lóta kan sì kwụsị aka wee tiri ọkụkọ akị. Tiri ọkụkọ ó bí ọ̀rà akị. Ife ibiri na package n'ukwu nwa. Ko obi ọ̀rà bịara. Na ka ọ na nara m. Na-ata ya kisi na-enye ego. And then needed me this girl ego man and me. Okay. Obi ọ̀rà ibu ugwu kwa mo. Hey, oto wan gege. Ebere. Don't worry, I'm coming there. I will show you myself this afternoon. Ebere, stop there. Stop there. Ebere. Eh? How dare you?
What happened?
Ebere, you asking me what happened? Eh, Ebere. Honestly, you're a disgrace to womanhood.
Hey, please. I won't take that nonsense from you. I won't take that insult from you.
Yeah, you even had the guts to shout. You are shouting at me. You are shouting at me. I thought you say you don't have anything with Obiora. No, go ahead and deny it. I saw you and Obiora now. Obiora was kissing you. You are even the one kissing Obiora. Obiora was touching you face to face. Obiora even gave you money. And that is the money you are counting now. What kind of person are you?
So you won't mind your business in this village, Abi? Please, what is it? Why are you following me about? What?
You see how the girls will be talking, Abi? See, if I know cast you for village, you come a fool. I will start with your mother. I will go and tell you about everything you are doing in this village. I will go and tell your mother.
Cast me how? I'm dating Obiora. And he says he wants to marry me. So what's bad there?
Obiora, marry you. Hey, you are joking. Obiora will end up getting you pregnant in this village. And you will become Otonakana in this village. Is it not this village? Because I don't have money, Abi. Okay, I'm pouring you spit, Abi. So that's why you're watching, Abi. No, Wala, because I don't have money, Abi. I just play the game now. By the time that game enters, Bet Naija, you will see what I will do. You think I don't have money? By the time I make money, you will see my money. By the time I make money, very soon now, Bet Naija will enter, you will see. Oh, Wala.
Useless, you're going to play back, Naija. He keeps following me about.
Mama!
I will cut you! Give me my money! What is this? Mama, tell him to give me the money he took from my room.
I didn't take your money. Which money? Eh?
You're still lying.
Do you have money?
Obiora!
Is that why you're chasing him with a cutlass?
Mama, I will cut him into pieces if he does not bring out my money.
Azoka, you cut me. Mama, I'm not going to wait for something.
Shut up, Osiso. Michon! Where is her money?
Mama, I didn't take her money. Eh? I didn't see her money.
Obiora, if you don't bring my money, what I will do to you, you won't like it. Bring out my money.
What you will do to me?
I'll not leave my money for you.
Azoka, what you will do to me?
You don't know me,
Okay, let me get my own cutlass. Every day I'm
please, calm down. He will give you your money. Oh,
Mama, get out of the way. Let me go and
No. Calm down. Give me the cutlass. I promise you, he will give you your money.
Oh no. Mama, collect my money from him. I'll not leave my money for him.
I promise you I will. He will give you. It's okay.
I'm not going
Ginika, your uncle knew about the prayer. That was why he was able to put confusion in your midst. So that the prayer cannot hold.
Because he knows nothing about it. Nobody told him. I am very, very sure that nobody told him about it.
You need to tell him. So you don't know that your uncle monitors you people?
Monitor what?
Yes. This was why your uncle was able to put asunder in everything you do.
Hey! Calling one name. I am confused. I am.
That also is the handwork of the enemy. You need to be strong in spirit to reject all the forces of the enemy. Yes.
What should I do now?
Okay. See, you need to reorganize another prayer. For the Bible says that family that prays together stays together.
You of all people, you know it's not going to be easy now. You know my people, you know my family.
Yes, my dear. I know the burden is on you. But you need to be strong. You don't even know why you are created in that family. You might be their savior. Yes. Just be strong.
I didn't want to save you, my sister. You know my siblings, Ebube, Obiora, they Sikasi. How do I gather them now?
Just try to convince them.
No
I'm
problem.
telling you for your own good.
Oh, thank you.
Alright now, take care. Bye.
Ego Igbo!
Who is that? Ikemba.
Who cut those palm nuts behind the Ezekwe's house? Who cut them?
I did.
Why?
What do you mean?
Did I not warn you not to go towards those palm trees?
Ikemba, those palm trees are on my late husband's land. And you cannot intimidate me to leave them for you.
I'm warning you for the last time. I planted those palm trees myself.
You're joking. You're joking. I will not stop going there. And if anything happens to me, I'll tell my children you're responsible.
I am warning you for the last time. I don't want to ever see you near those palm trees, so that you don't start organizing prayers for me.
Evil man! On that right! You are lucky my children are not at home. Evil man! How did he know that we organize prayers? Evil man.
We have finally met. We don't meet one-on-one. Husband snatcher. Eh? You think I will let you go scot-free? Where are you going to?
What do you want?
I'm talking to you, walking. Are you mad? So you think after snatching my man, I'll let you go scot-free?
I did not snatch your man from you. I don't even know who you are. Please let me go.
I'm talking to you. You're running your mouth like a tap. Look at this idiot.
You slapped me.
Listen, this is just a warning. If I see you near Gabriel again, what I will do to you, you won't believe it. Idiot. Come, get out from there. Nonsense.
Ikemba should be held responsible if anything happens to me tomorrow.
Mama, nothing will happen to you. Brother, that man had the guts to come here and threaten you. And we are here talking about prayers. We don't need prayers because we know who is killing us.
Yeah. Have you asked yourself how that man knew we organized prayers in this house?
That's the problem. I think he sees everything that we do in this house. Maybe he has an inside or something, I don't know.
My instinct is telling me that somebody from this house is giving that man information.
Azukamba, nobody is giving him any information. That man monitors all our activities. That's why I said he is evil. Yes, he is evil. All I'm saying is that we need prayer in this house.
Genika is right.
That's if you people will listen to my advice. If you would ever listen to my advice, we don't need any prayers in this house. We don't need it at all. The only option is for you people to try and settle with Uncle. Apologize to him. For those of you who have wronged him though.
What kind of settlement do you want to have with someone that is bent on killing the entire family? Huh? Happy settlement because.
Rapia, Obiora. Prayers or no prayers, we are going to that man's house and it's going to be war.
We will not wait until he kills our mother. We will not.
If our delay is dangerous, let's start going.
Let's go. Oh, I am talking to you.
I am saying my own.
No prayer.
If we are going to meet a man who is fafa
Go and apologize to him, oh. Accusing an innocent man for nothing. Nonsense. Again.
Mama, please. The prayers, we're going to start it.
Are you with us or against us? Ebube, acting so weird and so strange. Hey, Ebube, what happened to you? Hey? Yeah.
I'm very sure it's inside. You saw us around inside. Yes, Uncle is inside that house. I know him.
I don't care to know why you are here.
Uncle.
Is that how you live here or you are dead?
I was a buyer, but I've actually maybe friend dog. Let me tell you something. If anything happens to our mother, we will hold you responsible. Did you hear what I said? I'm here to warn you. Always say my mother. I got one target war way no go like. By that time you can't even use this gun again. This is the last warning and I won't repeat myself again.
Just pray nothing happens to her. We will come and pick you up. Obira, let's go.
Get out of here.
Truth now. Let me get out of truth. Shoot!
Shoot! Wicked old man.
Frustrated idiot.
That man is evil, but you wouldn't listen.
This looks like...
Listen, Mama, you wouldn't listen.
This looks like poison, oh. It looks like poison. And I think I know somebody that can help her.
But Pico, no, help us. Go and get the person.
I'm coming back now, eh? Hey.
Give me. Mama, don't. Are you asking me? As if you care. Are you asking me? Mama. You'll be fine. Mama, God forbid. Nothing will happen to you. God forbid. Nothing will happen to you. You'll be okay. Oh, Mama. Hey. Mama, you'll be fine.